Are you looking for a way to reach your ambitions and become more productive? Embrace the power of positive stress and use it to your advantage. Eustress, or positive stress, can be a powerful tool to help you reach your goals and become more successful. It can bring about a range of positive emotions, such as excitement, fulfillment, meaning, satisfaction, and well-being, and can help you cultivate self-efficacy, autonomy, and resilience. At work, seize the opportunity to take on stimulating projects that leverage your existing strengths or set ambitious goals around your interests or passions. Exploring the world through travel can be a thrilling experience that broadens your horizons and exposes you to new opportunities. By pushing your body to its limits, you can create a positive form of stress that will help you grow physically. However, it is essential to bear in mind that an excessive amount of stress can be damaging and can result in burnout, anxiety, and depression. Finding a harmonious equilibrium between pushing yourself and taking time to unwind is essential. So, challenge yourself and strive to reach your personal goals. We all experience stress in our lives, and it can be difficult to manage. But don't worry, there are some great strategies that can help you combat stress and take back control. Taking regular breaks, practicing mindfulness, getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, and talking to someone about how you're feeling are all great ways to reduce stress. Remember, everyone is different and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to accept that stress is a natural part of life, and it's okay to feel overwhelmed sometimes. Taking care of yourself and seeking help when needed can be a powerful way to manage stress. It is essential to understand the difference between beneficial and detrimental stress in order to effectively manage it. Eustress, or good stresses, is a positive reaction to the perfect amount of stimulation. While too much stress can be detrimental, resulting in feelings of anxiety, depression, and a decrease in productivity. To combat stress, challenge yourself at work by taking on new tasks and striving for promotions when available. To reduce stress, try something new such as exercising, taking on a new project, learning a new skill, reading, or testing your mental capacity. Additionally, be aware of the 5 components of a detrimental work environment: disrespectful, exclusive, immoral, ruthless, and oppressive management. To alleviate stress, it is essential to reframe any negative thought patterns that may be exacerbating it. Infuse your job with activities you love, set ambitious objectives that get you fired up, and keep the lines of communication open with your supervisor about how to reach them. This will help you cultivate a robust, upbeat attitude towards stress. However, it is important to note that these approaches may not be successful for all individuals. Stress can be a powerful ally in helping you reach your goals. By staying motivated, focused, and productive with its aid, you can make progress towards your objectives more quickly and effectively. This can be a great opportunity to propel yourself forward and maximize your life's potential. However, it is essential to remember that too much stress can be detrimental to your health and well-being, so it is important to find a balance that works for you. Everyone responds to stress differently, so it is essential to discover what works best for you. The rewards of embracing a positive outlook are numerous, including a longer life, decreased depression, less distress and pain, improved immunity, enhanced psychological and physical health, improved cardiovascular health, decreased risk of death from cardiovascular disease and stroke, decreased risk of death from cancer, decreased risk of death from respiratory conditions, and decreased risk of death from infections. Take the first step today and witness the remarkable improvements it can bring to your life. It is essential to recognize the distinction between beneficial and detrimental stress. Eustress, or good stress, can be a powerful tool in helping us reach our goals and become more productive. To combat stress, why not take on the challenge of tackling new tasks, and if the opportunity arises, go for that promotion. Exercising, launching a fresh endeavor, honing a new ability, and reading can all be powerful tools for taming stress. The upside of stress can be quite remarkable, from extended life expectancy to reduced depression, distress, and pain, as well as improved immunity to illnesses. To cultivate a resilient, positive stress mindset, it is essential to be able to confront any challenge. Recognize the 5 key components of a detrimental work environment, and incorporate more of the activities you enjoy into your job. Establishing ambitious objectives that ignite your passion can be an excellent way to begin managing stress. However, it is important to be aware that an excessive amount of stress can be damaging, resulting in physical and psychological health problems. Thus, striking a harmonious equilibrium between stress and relaxation is essential for you to live a healthy and balanced life. Take the time to recognize the signs of stress and take action to reduce it. Make sure to take breaks throughout the day, practice mindfulness, and find activities that bring you joy. With the right balance of stress and relaxation, you can achieve your goals and live a fulfilling life. Thank you for watching all of this video. If you liked what you saw, please show your support by liking, commenting or sharing this video. Have a great day, and never stop learning.